Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So Instagram have added one more new feature to Instagram comment section. So now you will get a multiple options in your comment section to do a filter. So how this look, I will show you in my mobile screen. So here this side you can see my mobile screen. So if I will go to a notification section, here you can see I will select my this post and I will click on comment. Here you can see 77 comment is there. So here you can see by default it is in this way. So if I want to sort it, top comment, new comment, if I will click new first, I will see all those new. This was already there before. My follower count is a new. Now you can see by a number of follower count. For example, if I will open this profile, you can see 256k, this 118k. Okay, so few more options are there. If you will click on people you follow, then you will see a comment from the people to whom we are following, and if you will click on verified, we will see a list of comment from a verified account. So we are getting a multiple options here to filter your comments. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.